Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to JP Barbecue. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some killer fajita tacos. And we're going to be using our Weber wok to do them in. You guys stay tuned. Let me show you how these fajita tacos come out doing the JP style. Check it out. So here's how we're going to start this. We're going to use some of this B&B lump charcoal. Really like this charcoal. It seems to burn longer and hotter than your traditional charcoal briquettes and even some of the popular brands of lump. I'm going to be using these Fire and Flavor 100% biomass fire starters. These are pretty good fire starters. I really like them. If you're interested in them, I'll put a link in the description. No big deal on how we're going to start. Grab you about 3 of them, set them on top of the grate, fire them up, and set your chimney on top and watch the smoke. So one of my subscribers commented on my chorizo video and asked if I've ever tried chorizo de San Manuel. Never heard of them. So I did a Google search and found this Texas company that has been around since 1975 with a lot of history. Really loved this brochure, and the Mexican style calendar that they sent me with this package was pretty cool. In the package was some pork chorizo, chicken chorizo, some more pork chorizo. Not sure if there's a difference between the first one and this one. Maybe some different spices or something, not sure. But we're gonna give it a try. Oh yeah, here's the good stuff. I had not had jalapeno and cheese sausage in forever. Can't wait to try these. Looks like roughly 5 pounds of beef fajitas already marinated, and some of them and about the same amount in chicken fajitas. Man, can't wait to try all this stuff out. With our fajitas, we're gonna make a green and red sauce. Here are the ingredients: onions, Roma tomatoes, garlic, tomatillos, jalapenos, and serrano peppers. These are gonna be good because just watch what we're gonna do. Our charcoal is about ready. Let's get it spread out on top of the Weber. Gosh, this stupid net from the bottom of my chimney keeps falling out. This is embarrassing. I gotta fix that. Just pretend you didn't see that. Gonna add a little more lump on the sides just in case we run short. Put the grill grate back in, spray it down with some canola spray so the food don't stick. Give it a good scrubbing with the brush. And here's a neat little trick. Take half an onion and with the grill and rub the grill with it. The oils from the onion will also help the food not to stick, and plus the smell right about now is absolutely fantastically delicious. May want to use some tongs because it's pretty hot right about now. Even with the tongs, I'm having to switch back and forth because the heat's just unbearable. This is just getting a little bit too hot. What we're gonna do now is put all the veggies for all salsa on the grill, and that is gonna give it a very nice, rustic, rich, and smoky flavor. You wanna keep turning them, not making sure you get an even char on each side of the surface that you can. Something like this is what you're looking to achieve. The tomatoes will be done first, and man, this is super hot. Just look at the jalapeno. This salsa is gonna be good. Tomatoes are usually the first thing that gets done, so go ahead and take them out. Gonna use my blender to make the red salsa first. Put all the tomatoes, char skin and all, and take the rest of the ingredients like the peppers and just split them in half. Put the serrano peppers, the jalapeno peppers, get you half an onion, 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of your favorite JPAP, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. About this color is what you're looking for. Can't forget the juice of 1 whole lime. Put the lid on it and just pulse for a few seconds. And what you'll end up with is something kind of chunky, full of flavor and color. Absolutely delicious looking, giving you that rich, earthy, smoky flavor. Just look at it. It's the same process for the green sauce. Just swap out the Roma tomatoes with the tomatillos, and you should end up with something about the same, except it's green, with that green, earthy tone to it. And here's what you end up with: this fresh, homemade, super great tasting, down to earth, smoky red and green salsa. Time to get the grill ready. Take the center part out of the Weber grill, stir up the lump charcoal into a small pile, and lay your wok in place. a little bit of cooking oil just to coat the wok and spread it around. So here's the chicken from Chorizo de San Manuel. Looks like marinated chicken thighs. Man, it smells great. Had to take some out and cut into smaller portions and continue to cook them. Added some onions, same onions that I grilled up. Cut me up some red peppers. That one's trying to get away. Yellow peppers and green peppers, and let them saute up and add that great flavor to that chicken. Once we get close to having the chicken done, let's not waste any of this great heat and warm up some corn tortillas. They gotta be corn, guys. For street tacos, corn is the way to go. Just lay them around the grill. Heck, you can even lay them on top of the wok. It's plenty hot. Oh, and by the way, if you don't have a tortilla warmer like this, get you one. They will keep your tortillas nice and warm. I'll put one in the description below. Let's start building these killer fajita street tacos. Just lay them with however much meat you want. Don't forget about the veggies and top them off with that rich smoky salsa you made earlier, and enjoy.
Hey guys, these chicken fajita tacos are done. They came out spectacular. Put them on the Weber wok. Great idea, to get them grilled up. So what I have here, I have 3 tacos. 2 of these have the salsa verde, and then one of them has the salsa roja that I did. I did 2 different versions of the sauce, because they taste good. I like green sauce. I prefer green sauce, but some people may like the red sauce a little bit better. But green sauce with the chicken fajita tacos from the company that sent me the chicken fajitas, Chorizo de San Manuel is the company, and we're gonna give it a try and see what this chicken fajita is all about. Now look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the chicken. Actually, I'm just going to add another piece of chicken in there. I don't think I added enough chicken. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Real good Tex-Mex seasoning right there, guys. Good stuff. And with that salsa verde on top, it's the perfect way to start the weekend. Guys, I really hope you guys like this video. If you could, do me a favor, right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Go ahead and click on that button and click that bell. That way you get future notifications of any upcoming videos. I want to thank the people over at Chorizo de San Manuel for sending me this stuff. I appreciate it very much. And I'm going to put a link for their company because they do next day delivery. So you can order this stuff online and boy, it'll be at your house the next day. I got mine pretty quick. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. Oh, hold on a second. I got to thank my patrons. Well, I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank my viewers. And most of all, I want to thank my Patreons. I got Ben Lee, Maria Balderas, Sam Santos, Leticia Vallejo, Billy Walsh, Brian Gutierrez, and Marco Romero. Okay, those are my Patreons that I have. I appreciate them very much. If you guys want to get your name shouted out at the end of your credits, do me a favor. Go out and visit my Patreon account. I'm always looking for support for for my cooking channel. You guys go out there and pay to visit. But besides that, guys, I will talk to you guys later. You guys take care, and I will see you on the next cookout. See ya.